Hello, good morning guys. Once again, welcome back to Ernest Web YouTube channel. Ernest Web is troubleshooting this Panasonic Inverter AC. Now, we can see that this ceramic oscillator, the frequency is 10 MHz per seconds. So we're gonna wait for a couple of seconds so that to detect where's the abnormality of this. Because sometimes it stops. For now, the compressor is working, as well as this inner board. Now guys, so guys, this is the final testing of this Panasonic Inverter AC. Now after replacing the component which is defective, now I'm testing this so that you know whether it's working properly. So far, fan motor and compressor is working. And also this outdoor board. We're gonna test this for a long time so that we can assure that it's working very well. Before guys, the compressor of this is jerking only. It works for only a second and then stop. Now the compressor is working speedier. Once again guys, I'm sorry for inconvenience of my place because my place is only small. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching of this video at Honest with YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe so that you are always being updated if there's a new upload videos. By the way guys, the problem of this, which I replace the component, this is the IPN which I replace because this is partially shorted. This is PS, I think, what's the number of this? I cannot see right now. 15, PS 15. The ending is P6. This is the defective component which I replaced. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching. Until the next video, see you again.